guys, this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and this is Because I Felt Like It. We're doing some felting projects today. In this collab, our hosts are Shabby Meets Bling and The Secret Craft Room. Please check out their channels and the amazing playlist for all kinds of felt projects. Today, I'm going to be making a felt garland for the 4th of July. This is the felt collab. I have a whole thing of felt, red, white, blue felt, to make a felt garland for my mantle for summer. For the 4th of July. Navy blue, white, red. And I found some things on Pinterest. It showed it was how to make a rocket, firecracker, an explosion, which I think I might do mine different than they did theirs, a star, and then a star embellishment, and then the top of the rocket. And this is a stripe if you want to do a stripe. This is a short stripe if you want to do that. But we're going to do some of it, and then we're going to embellish it up and make it our own. Which that's what I always say about doing Pinterest things. It's fine to follow theirs, but do it your own way. You don't have to copy their way. You can use their pattern and make it your own, really. I'm doing 3 rockets. Okay, I'm going to do the same and cut this out. You could draw around it and cut it too. Okay, let's go and put our rockets together. Okay, this one you were supposed to cut out stars to put on it, but I found this fun ribbon. And y'all know I like some fun embellishments. And you were supposed to do either felt streamers or theirs showed ribbon on theirs, so I guess I'm not too far off. Okay, now let's add some, now I got some streamers to add to our rocket. This is just different pieces of patriotic ribbon. Of course, some are stars. I want to make it even. Oh, it's windy today. Oscar's barking at the wind again. Here we go. There's our little rocket. Here's our white rocket. We're gonna just embellish it. And I want them all to be a little bit different. Okay, now we're gonna just add some ribbon streamers to this too. I don't know if I'm gonna do the stars on this one. I think I'm gonna just do ribbon. Because like I said, I want them all to be a little different. And I'm going to do a dab of hot glue on each one of the, to hold them together. Just like that is the second one. Okay, let's make our streamers. I'm doing stars this time. I'm sure glad this glue is cold. If not, I would have got burnt big time. As much glue as I got on my fingers. Okay, there's our 3 rockets. Let's make a firework. We're gonna roll this up. This is our firework. And then we're gonna take this piece. This will be our wick. I'd probably, if I would have done this, I'd have probably used wire. I'm gonna fray this at the end a little bit. I'm gonna take these and I'm stacking the colors on top of each other. And I'm gonna just cut strips. And then I'm gonna cut this in half. You could do this with just felt. I'm gonna add a little ribbon because I like ribbon embellishment in mine. But I'm gonna make a couple for our garland. A couple exploding fireworks. Now I'm going to take a piece of ribbon and just fluff it every which way because you want to make it explode. Exploding firework. And I'll probably put a, I don't know, I'll put a star right in the center to cover that up. Here is our banner. I am going to add some stuff to it because it seems like it needs a little bit more. I may add some painted wood stars to it just to give it a little more interest. But here's what we got. There's our rocket, our felt rocket, our felt firecracker, our felt firework. This is the one that I think it needs a wood star so it would be a little bit more flat. Or just give it a little more interest. But let me know what you think. What would you use these little felt projects for?